everyone, I'm here with a U-change lock which I won on the eBay auction. See, it's a 5-pin lock. It works. The idea is that it's rekeyable, just like the quick set. You put a change key in there, twist it, and you can put the new key in, off you go. This didn't come with a rekeying device, although you can get them. So I may have to make one, or if I can scrounge one up from eBay. I'm using a knife pick, so I'm going to give that a go. Now I actually got 2 of these, but annoyingly they're different keyways. There we go, another very hard pick at all, and considering these are used in commercial operations, that's quite worrying. As I say, the other key is this one. That's a change number 5, but as you can see, there you go, different keyways. Really, really annoying. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and take care.